This could be the car for you. The 2024 GMC Canyon. Be prepared for all your projects with this comfortable, capable Canyon. At home navigating urban landscapes or cruising country roads and highways, this agile midsize pickup prioritizes utility and a smooth, stable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, remote engine start. Don't miss the chance to drive this remarkably agile Canyon. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.